Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. So this is Data Science video lesson number 7. As usual, I like to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. Data Science video lesson number 7. So in this lesson, we are going to study about how to split or divide one array into many arrays. How to split one array into many arrays using split functions of Numpy array. So Numpy array has one function called split. With the help of split function, how to split one array into many arrays. This is what we are going to study in this lesson. See, splitting of array. Split is a function. Split function splits one array into two or more arrays. While using split, original array will not change, but it returns new array. How to split one-dimensional array? Split one-dimensional array. For one-dimensional array, no need to worry about how many rows, how many columns. There is no need to worry about rows and columns. We can simply specify list with position wherever array is to be split. Wherever array is to be split, we need to give this position. For example, if our array contains 20 elements, I want to make it as a 2 array at 10th location. So we need to give location number 10. This is one way. Another way are any integer number that indicates number of equal parts in which array to be split. We are having one array with 20 elements. I want to split into 2 parts. Simply we can give number 2. That we will see in how to split two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional array means row and column comes into picture. Both row-wise and column-wise possible. That means what? We can split the two-dimensional array both in either row-wise or column-wise. For row-wise, x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 means it refers to row-wise. Default is row-wise. That means x is equal to 0. If you want to split column-wise, axis should be 1. Axis 0 means row-wise. Axis 1 means column-wise. By default, row-wise. Here also, we can specify the list with position wherever array is to be split, or any integer number that indicates number of equal parts in which array to be split. I hope is it clear to all. Now let us see some small program. In this program, I import Numpy first as NP. I created one array called array1 using aRange function. That means it creates one-dimensional array with 20 elements. Elements will be 1, 2, 3, so on up to 20. This is already we study. Am I right? Print array1 size. See, 20 we are having. That means what? Array1 has 20 elements. Elements are 1, 2, 3, so on up to 20. See it here. First comma second equal to np.split. Array1. Here, array1 is split at 10th location. That is 10th element. We are having 20 element. At 10th element, I need to split. Split at 10th element. Then 1 to 10 will be stored into first array. 11 to 20 will be stored into second array. Because np.split array1 comma list where index we are giving 10th location in the form of list. 10th location it splits. It gives 2 array. 1 to 10 will be stored into first array. 11 to 20 will be stored into second array. See, print to first 1 to 10. Print to second 11 to 20. Print array 1. This array 1 is the original array. This array 1 contains 1 to 20. Array 1 is not changed. I hope this is clear to all. I will demonstrate the same thing in front of you by using Jupyter Notebook. Very beginning, I need to import Numpy as NP. Okay, I need to create one array called array1 using a range. I need to give one range. You know very well, if you are giving a range 1, 21 means it will create 1 to 20, not 1 to 21. I need to check how many elements are there. Here print of array1 dot shape. So it returns how many elements are there. Let us check one by one. So it gives 20 because we are creating one array from 1 to 20. Now I want to split array1 into 2. Second equal to np dot split. Which array I want to delete? Array1. Where I want to delete 10th location. That should be placed within square bracket because we are going to give one list with position wherever we want to split. It splits at the 10th element. 1 to 10 will be stored as first array. 11 to 20 will be stored as second array. Array 1 is a original array. It will not be disturbed. Let us check first. Similarly, second. Then array 1. Let us check. So 1 to 20 available in first array. Second array contains 11 to 20. Array 1 is original array. It is not disturbed. I hope this is clear to all. Now let us study how to split two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array means row as well as column both come into picture. Let us first study how to split one array row-wise. That means splitting array row-wise. We need one two-dimensional array. Already we are having one-dimensional array that is called as array 1. Here array 2 equal to array 1 dot reshape of 4 rows and 5 columns. Already we studied reshape. Reshape creates new array. In this case, new array will have 4 rows and 5 columns. That is 2D array is created. See it here, array 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the first row, 6 to 10, second row like this. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Fine. After that, we are having array 2 is a two-dimensional array. I want to split at second row. Row-wise means we have to give axis equal to 0. Default is row-wise only. Either you mention axis equal to 0 or not, it mentioned default. So first comma second equal to np dot split of array 2. Where we have to split? At second row. That means it splits at second row. Default axis equal to 0, that is row-wise. It creates two array. That means what? First two row, 1 to 5, 6 to 10 will be stored into first array. 11 to 15, that is third and fourth row. 11 to 15, 16 and 20 will be stored as second row. Let us check. Print to first row, second row. Print to second, third row, fourth row. Array 2, original array 2 not change. Am I right? Good. In this example, we split array 2 into 2 array. How to split array 2 as 3 array? See it here. First comma, second comma, third equal to np dot split. Because here we are giving 3 arrays. So array 2 should be split at 2 places. See it here, np dot split of array 2 comma 1 comma 3. That means what? At first row we need to split as well as second row we need to split. Axis equal to 0. Split at first and second row row-wise and creates 3 arrays. That means what? First row will be stored as first. Second and third, because we are splitting at third row. This row will be placed at first. Here also we are splitting. Third row also we are splitting. That means second and third row will be stored into second. Fourth row will be stored as 4. Am I right? We are splitting at first row as well as third row. This will be go to first, second and third will go to second, fourth will go to third. Okay, that is one first, second, third, array 2. In this case also, array 3 is not disturbed. I hope is it clear. Okay, one more thing. I want to split one array into 3 array. But all these 3 arrays should be stored as inner list of another array. Am I right? See it here. Here I am not giving first comma, second comma, third. We are giving only array 3. Only one array. Am I right? But I split array 2 at 2 places. At first row, third row. You know very well, it will create 3 arrays. Since we are giving only one array name is array 3, all 3 arrays will be sub-arrays of array 3. Is it clear? Splits at first and third row wise. Creates one nested list with 3 arrays. See it here. Print array 3. Array 3 is a one array. It has first row, second row, third row as second array, fourth row as third array. Okay. All 3 arrays are stored as inner list of array 3. Still array 2 is a original array. It is not disturbed. Okay. So now let us explain same thing in front of you. How to split 2D array in row wise. Good. So now already I have array 1. I want to create array 2. Array 1 dot reshape 4, 5. That means it creates one new array called array 2. It has 4 rows and 5 columns. Am I right? 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 4 rows and 5 columns. That's fine. Now I can add one more here. Here what I can do? First, comma, second. Because I want to create 2 arrays. I want to split one 2-dimensional array. np dot split of array 1. Array 2. Now array 1 is 1-dimensional array. Array 2 is 2-dimensional. I need to split that second location. That means second row. Okay. No need to worry about axis. By default, axis is 0. That is row wise. I hope first and second row will be created. I split at second row, first row, second row. That is 1 to 5, 6 to 10 will be stored into first array. 11 to 15, 16 to 20 will be stored into second array. Let us check. Print first, print second, then print array 2. Array 2 will not be disturbed. Let us check. See it here. 1 to 5 first row, 6 to 10 second row is stored into first. 11 to 15 third row, 16 to 20 fourth row is stored in second. So first array number 2, it's not disturbed. Okay, is it clear? I hope is it clear. So let us see the next one. See it here. Okay, so now how to split one array into more than 2. I want to split one array 2 into 3 parts. Before we studied how to split into 2 parts. Then we need 3 arrays. First and three arrays. First to third. Similarly, np dot split. Which array I need to split? Array 2. Here 2 position we need to give. 1, 3. That means what? At first row I need to split. Third row I need to split. Here, if you want, you can put axis. Axis equal to 0. Column, it is optional only. If it is default, default by the way, axis will be 0. That is row wise. So I split array 2 at 2 plate rows. First row, third row. First row will be stored into first. Second and third will be stored into second. Fourth will be stored into fourth. As usual, array 2 is a original array. It will not be disturbed. Let us check. First, second. Similarly, third. Then array 2. Array 2 will not change. Let us check. First row is stored as first. Second and third row is stored as second. Fourth row is stored as third. Original array is not disturbed. Am I right? I hope is it clear to all. Next, let us study how to split one array into many arrays, but many arrays, sub-arrays, needs to be the nested list, inner list of the another list. Here we are giving first comma, second comma, third, 3 arrays. I want to create only one array. That array has many nested lists. Okay, how to do it? Like it's here. In this case, I am creating array 3, only one array I am giving. But I need to split at 3. Split array 2, comma, at 2 location I need to split. You know very well, already we studied, comma, axis equal to 0. So it will split first row as well as third row. That means it will produce 3 arrays. It will produce 3 arrays. All 3 arrays will be stored as inner list of array 3. I hope it's clear. Let us check array 3. Again, array 2 is original array. It will not disturb. Let us check. See it here. 1 to 5 is a first array. It acts as a inner list of array 3. Similarly, 6 to 8 and 11 to 15. Second row, third row is a another array. It is also act as a inner list of array 3. Fourth row of array 2, 16 to 20. It is another array. It acts as a inner list of, or inner array of array 3. So it creates only one array. It has 3 arrays. I hope this is clear. Still, array 2 is not disturbed. So we studied how to split one 2-dimensional array in row wise. Next, we can proceed how to split in column wise. We studied how to split one array into based on row wise. Now we are going to study about how to split one 2-dimensional array in column wise. See it here. np.split of array 2, comma, first column, second column. 1, comma 3. Axis should be 1. Axis 1 means it refers to column wise. Splits at first column and third column, column wise. And it creates 3 arrays. See it here. This is an original array, first column as well as third column. First column will be stored as 1, 6, 11, 16 will be stored as first. And then third column, second column and third column, 2, 7, 12, 17, 3, 8, 13, 18 will be stored in second array. Rest of them, 4, 9, 14, 19, 5, 10, 15, 20, it's stored as third. I hope is it clear. Understand? I can demonstrate in front of you the same thing. Insert below. Click it here. First comma, second comma, third equal to np dot split of. np dot split of which array I want to split? Array 2. Where I need to split 1, comma 3. Column wise or row wise? Column wise. I hope it's clear. So this np dot split of array 2, 1, comma 3 splits column wise array 2. That means first column will be stored into first array. Second and third column will be stored as third. Fourth and fifth column will be stored as third. Let us check first, second, print, third. As usual, array 2 will not be disturbed. Let us check, see it here. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. I hope this is clear. Now let us study how to split based on equal number of the column. In previous cases, we give where to split. Where we do either row wise or column wise, where to split or wherever we want to split. Now How to split equal number of, that is what we are getting. See it here, first half, comma, second half. That means what? We want to split array 2 in two equal parts. NP dot split of array 2, comma 2. Axis equal to 0. That means row wise, I want to split. I have 4 rows. Array 2 has 4 rows. I need to split into 2 rows. I mean, 2 parts. First half, comma, second part. Split 2 equal size of arrays in row wise. That means 1 to 5 first row, 6 to 10 second row. That will be stored into first half. 11 to 15, 16 to 20, third row and fourth row. That will be stored into second half. Am I right? Good. But the problem is array 2 has 4 rows. That is why we can divide or can split into 2 equal parts in row wise. What will happen if we try to split column wise into 2 equal parts? We cannot divide, we cannot split because they are having 5 columns. Since 4 rows are there, we divide or split 4 rows into 2 arrays. 5 columns. Okay, 5 columns we cannot equally divide. We cannot equally split. Am I right? That is why first half, comma, second half equal to NP dot split of array 2, comma 2, 2 equal parts. Axis equal to 1. Axis means column wise. Column wise we cannot split. It shows error. 2 equal array column wise not possible since the array 2 contains 4, comma 5. Same thing I will demonstrate in front of you. I will add one more row here. So first half, comma, second half equal to NP dot, then split. NP dot split of array 2, comma. Here directly we give the integer number. How many equal parts I want? 2 equal parts. If you want to give the position, you have to use list. 2, comma. Okay. Axis equal to 0. That is row wise I need to split 2 equal parts. That means first row, second row will be stored into first half. Third row, fourth row will be stored into second half. Let us check first half and then second half. As usual, array 3 will not be disturbed. Array 2, not 3. Let us check. See it here. 1 to 5 first row, 6 to 7 second row. It is stored into first half. 11 to 15 third row, 16 to 20 fourth row. It is stored into second half. Is it clear? Now, let us see what will happen if we divide into 2 equal parts column wise. Equal to NP dot split array 2, comma 2 equal parts. Axis equal to 1. Since we are having 5 columns, we cannot split into 2 equal parts. If we are having 4 column or 6 column, we can divide. Let us check. See, it shows error. Am I right? Good. So let us study now recap. Okay. Today we studied how to split one-dimensional array, how to split two-dimensional row-wise as well as column-wise. How to split two-dimensional array by using list of position. How to split two-dimensional array with the help of specifying how many equal parts you want. This is what we studied. Splits one array into 2 or more arrays, first point. Second point, while using split, original array will not change, but it returns new arrays. For 2D array, both row-wise and column-wise possible. For row-wise, axis equal to 0. We need to mention axis equal to 0. Default is row-wise. Axis equal to 0. Either you mention axis equal to 0, no problem. It is row-wise only. For column-wise, we need to compulsorily mention axis equal to 1. We can specify the list with position wherever array is to be split. Or we can specify any integer number that indicates number of equal parts in which array to be split. Either 2 equal parts or 3 equal parts we need to mention. I hope is it clear. Today I stopped here itself. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson nicely. I hope all of you understand the concept behind today's lesson. Next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.